In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly remove underlining from your text using a simple keyboard shortcut. If you're a fan of using keyboard shortcuts to speed up your daily tasks and enhance your productivity, you're in the right place. The process we're about to cover isn't just fast, it's also incredibly straightforward and efficient. First, let's start with selecting the text that has been underlined. This step is crucial because, if you want to remove the underline attribute, you must first make sure your target text is highlighted. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text, ensuring every part of the intended text is included. It's important to note here that the method with keyboard shortcuts isn't just about haste, it's also about precision. Make sure the text you select is exactly what you need to be adjusted, as this will save you from additional adjustments later. Once your text is selected, it's time to use the keyboard shortcut designed specifically for this purpose. If you are using a Windows operating system, you'll want to press the Ctrl key, Ctrl, and while holding it down, simply press the U key. What this does is toggle the underline feature off, effectively removing the underline from your selected text. It's a quick touch that immediately reflects in your document. This approach is exceptionally useful in professional settings where presentations and documents often demand seamless and clean formatting. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity. It provides an almost instant adjustment. For those who are keen on optimizing their workflow, getting accustomed to using such shortcuts can significantly reduce the strain of repetitive formatting tasks. By the time you lift your fingers off the keyboard, you'll notice the underline has vanished just as expected. This method really shines in scenarios where speed is of the essence, like during meetings or when preparing documents in time-sensitive situations. Moreover, developing this kind of muscle memory for shortcuts can make routine computer interactions feel much smoother and less labor-intensive. While there are always alternative methods, using keyboard shortcuts adds a layer of efficiency and proficiency to your skill set, making even the simplest of edits effective and seamless. So next time you encounter underlined text that needs to be changed, remember how this simple combination of keys can transform the way you manage your text formatting tasks. And there you have it, how to remove underlining from text quickly and effortlessly using just a keyboard shortcut.